Hey everybody, I'm going to do some stock lock Sunday here. I haven't picked a lock in a couple of weeks. I think since last stock lock Sunday. Working here, I did use a 3/16 rotary pick on that lock. And this lock was actually on the inside of that door. Just put a piece of tape over it because there's a locksmith company name and phone number on it. Schlage keyway, don't know what the other keyway is. Not one that I recognize. And I'm going to try out our Mortise cylinder holder here from Dev. It'll be the first time giving this guy a go. And we have a Schlage keyway, so I'm going to use a 40 thousandths pry bar on the top here. And we'll try a gem and 25 thousandths. And we're open. And I guess we'll gut it for the hell of it here since that went quick. This thing's nice, actually. It's pretty comfortable. And so that screw's a little bit stripped out here, but hopefully yeah, it's not even tight. Yeah, this lock was actually on the inside of a door that was all plywood because the door was busted up, and had to actually take a cordless Dremel and just notch the wood out to get this out. Give a shout out to Bill Bacardi. He talked me into getting a cordless Dremel. I had a plug-in one, which is fine unless you're at a property with no electricity, which happens quite a bit. Grab a pinning tray here. Still haven't put together the last Stock Lock Sunday lock here, so who knows how long it'll be before I put this one back together. So it's nice to put it in a pinning tray so it's out of the way. And these are all just going to be standard pins here. Nothing going to be too exciting. And I'm not sure which order those came out, but no big deal. And then as far as upstairs goes here, I have no idea why I grabbed this little follower. This is what some Mortise cylinders come when they're not pinned. They come with the plug just loose, and then they come with one of these tiny little, it's like a 1.5 inch follower. And I'll just drop him out the back here. So, as we suspected here, all standard pins and all the springs here. Alright, so that's a 1-inch Mortise cylinder picked and gutted. And I guess that will do it for this edition of Stock Lock Sunday, and we will talk to everybody later.